All right, we want to solve a right triangle together. So they give us a couple pieces. When they say solve a right triangle, that means just find everything that we don't know. Angles, any sides that we don't know. So first thing, good strategy, let's just sketch a triangle so we can kind of picture what we're looking at. So we've got side A, or angle A rather, angle C, and angle B. That's just a common way that they'll describe things. The sides opposite the angle, so I'll just do a little lowercase a there, and a lowercase b, and a lowercase c. So those lowercase represent lengths of sides. And let me just put my a back there. So now let's go ahead and fill in what we know. So angle A is 56 degrees. Side A is a length of 3. So we want to figure out all these other pieces. Now, I guess let me just do that so we know what we're looking at. So angle C is our right angle. So angle B is going to be the quickest thing to find because we know the relationship. All these angles have to add up to 180. We already have a 90, so that means these two angles must add up to 90 as well. So 90 minus 56, so we're going to get 34 degrees. So let's label that. So angle B is 34 degrees. So that's pretty quick, pretty easy to find. Okay, let's see what else. We know side A. Let's go ahead and find side C. I mean, it doesn't matter really what order we go in. So side C. Well, if I use sine of 56 relates this side to that side. So let's set that relationship up. So sine of 56 degrees would equal 3 over C. I'm just using SOHCAHTOA to guide me there. Sine opposite over hypotenuse. Of course, if we rearrange this, I would get C equals 3 over the sine of 56 degrees. And so, side C is about, we're going to go ahead and plug that in a calculator now. That would be an exact answer, but let's plug it in our calculator and we will approximate that to like 4 decimal places is pretty typical. So 3 divided by sine of 56. There's our answer. Now if you get a different number when you do it, make sure you're in degree mode on your calculator, okay? So let me go ahead and write that in. Let me go back and grab my pen. So we have 3.6187 approximately. Okay, so angle B 34 degrees, side C is about 3.6187. So now we need to find side B. That's the only thing that's left. So we can set it up really similar. What relationship we could use? You could use Pythagorean theorem now if you want, but I don't like to use rounded values in my answers if I can help it to find them. I like to use the information they gave us. So I'm going to use tangent. So tangent, whoops, that's supposed to be an N there. Tangent of 56 degrees, sorry, that's kind of sloppy. Tangent of 56 degrees equals, I'm still getting used to this new digital pad I got. Tangent of 56 degrees equals 3 over B, and of course then we can rearrange that. So B would equal 3 over tangent of 56 degrees. Basically just swap these, right? If you could cross multiply, however you want to think of it. So let's plug that in our calculator. And so 3 divided by tangent of 56, and that gives us that answer. Let me go ahead and get my pen back and I'll write it here. So that gives us 2.0235. Again, we'll just go to 4 decimal places there. So here are the pieces we just figured out, angle B and 2 sides.